Welcome to my channel. I'm Leah with SkinBeautifulrx, and today we're taking a detailed look at Ourself Complexion Brightening Serum, a formula that represents a sophisticated approach to managing skin discoloration. Unlike conventional brightening products that primarily address surface level pigment, this product operates at a deeper, more precise level. It's biotech power designed to prevent new pigment, correct existing discoloration, and optimize overall skin clarity. Whether the challenge you're facing is sun-induced hyperpigmentation, post-inflammatory marks, or general uneven skin tone, the serum works systemically addressing discoloration from formation to fade out. At the center of this formula is M19, a patented intelligent peptide. M19 acts directly on the signaling pathways responsible for melanin production, effectively reducing the formation of new pigment while addressing existing uneven tone. A critical differentiator in this serum is its tiered release vesicle, or TRV technology. TRV is a lipid-based delivery system engineered to deliver active ingredients precisely to the layers of the skin where pigment originates. This is more than just stability, it's precision. TRV ensures that M19, tranexamic acid, and all the other actives we're about to go over are released gradually and sustainably. The controlled tiered release maximizes efficacy while minimizing potential irritation, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin types or even reactive skin types like myself. Think of this as precision delivery system. Ingredients reach exactly where they're needed over time instead of sitting superficially on the skin surface and only treating that layer. Let's examine now each key ingredient and its functional role that makes this a comprehensive serum. First, of course, the M19, or patented intelligent peptide. This targets areas of pigment at the source. It's going to interrupt melanin signaling, preventing new discoloration. It also has tranexamic acid, or TXA, with a TXA ester. This modulates melanin production and calms inflammatory pathways. TXA ester enhances skin penetration and sustains activity. This also has niacinamide, or vitamin B3, which reduces the appearance of dark spots. It's also going to strengthen the skin barrier and support hydration while lowering inflammation and redness. This also has retinol linolate, or vitamin A and F. It's going to promote gentle cell turnover, very gentle. It's going to reveal fresher, more even skin beneath. And then this also has 4-butylresorcinol. Now, this is a potent melanin rebalancer. It also provides antioxidant support, protects against environmental contributors that result in pigment. When combined with TRV, these actives work deeper, longer, and more effectively than other traditional brightening serums. This serum functions through 4 complementary mechanisms. So prevention, which is the M19 and the TXA, which intervene at the biochemical and signaling level to prevent new pigment from forming. And then we are correcting existing pigment with niacinamide, retinol linolate, and 4-butylresorcinol, which visibly reduce existing dark spots and uneven tone. Then we're renewing with retinol linolate, which promotes even cell turnover and improves texture and luminosity. And then we're protecting from future damage that results in pigment with antioxidant activity, which mitigates oxidative stress, a primary driver of hyperpigmentation. Through TRV, these mechanisms are targeted precisely where pigment begins, delivering measurable results without irritation. I can attest to this. I've been using this now for about 6 weeks in place of my retinol most nights, and I absolutely love it. Clinical evaluation demonstrates compelling outcomes with this serum. In participants with moderate to severe photo damage and uneven skin tone, 77% reported smoother skin in 2 weeks. 77% also noticed brighter skin by week 4, and 87% observed improvement in discoloration by week 8. And this is huge because we are talking about stubborn pigment and melasma. These results underscore both the speed and durability of improvement when the serum is incorporated into a comprehensive skincare routine. That means they got those results with just this serum. Imagine putting this all together in a complete brightening pigment protocol. Ourself Complexion Brightening Serum exemplifies a sophisticated science-driven approach to addressing uneven skin tone through the patented M19, a potent blend of brightening agents and TRV delivery technology. The serum prevents, corrects, renews, and protects. For those seeking a highly effective, evidence-based solution for visible discoloration, this formula represents the cutting edge of skin science. And you guys know, if you've been with me from the start, I really rarely recommend pigment products. I've kind of stuck to the same handful for the last 8 to 10 years. And I've quickly added this to my own routine and to routines that want brighter pigment-free skin because it works, and it works really well and really gently. Again, you can put this into your PM routine in place of retinol, and some people still use retinol, but I really love a gentle approach, so I use it in place. You can use this every night, but I definitely recommend at least 4 nights a week. I alternate this with my Lennox laser serum at night. So if you guys are looking for a potent pigment product that works, not just on the surface, but every single layer of the skin in multiple different pathways, then definitely check out the Ourself Complexion Brightening Serum.